Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights. Hello everyone, so this is a new video on a new topic that we have, and this is related to the tripod that I got recently with my mic. So I've created a video on mic basically, so if you want you can watch that previous video of mic, which is my Comica mic, and this is my wind puff of that Comica mic, and this was my mic. So I've created a complete whole video related to that, and this mic was very helpful. In this video I am just going to share about the tripod that I got, which is my Chroma tripod. So this is very helpful if you have a phone or if you have a camera and you want to attach it, and if you want to attach your mic as well, you can do it in this particular Chroma. And this is very good. It's not as the ones that you get it in the local market, but this is really helpful. So let's see what is there inside this particular Chroma mic. First, read what exactly is there inside this particular mic. So you will get a selfie stick, which is 2-in-1 with your tripod. So even if you are planning to buy a selfie stick, then get this tripod with the selfie stick. It will be really helpful. Then that particular stick is very extendable till 17.5 centimeter to 19.3 centimeter, and it will actually have accommodation for your smartphone of your screen size of 5.5 to 9 centimeter, and it has a 360-degree rotatable ball head for flexible shooting, and it is actually include a Bluetooth remote control as well, which is really great. मतलब आपको जाके वहाँ पे क्लिक नहीं करना पड़ेगा कि कैमरा ऑन and then you are doing it. No, you can control it with your Bluetooth basically, and it has your detachable tripod stand, and it's suitable for your smartphone camera and your action camera. So ज़्यादा साइज नहीं इंक्लूड करेगा, 2.5 kg, which is really good for a camera. It's not really so heavy if you're not using a very photogenic your camera, right? So that's all. So let's see what's there inside it. So it has a lovely package. यहाँ पे ऐसा करके दिखता है, पूरा पैकेज है. So इसके अंदर देखते हैं अब क्या है. So let's see what is there inside this. I'm really excited to show you all guys what exactly is there inside it. So okay, let me first get everything out of this box. So this is my Bluetooth controller. You can just click on this and it will turn on your tripod and your camera. So you are actually attaching your camera with this. You are syncing it up. ठीक है, फ़ोन है, आईफोन है, एंड्रॉयड है, उसके साथ सिंक कर लो, क्लिक कर लो, एंड इट विल स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग, राइट. सो दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट, दैट इज़ माई स्टैंड बेसिकली. तो ये मस्त स्टैंड है. इसके ऊपर आप अपना सेल्फी स्टिक लगा के इसको लंबा कर सकते हो. दिस इज़ द स्मॉल पीस. सो लेट मी शो यू दैट वन. So this is my portion where you put just above this one, and then you have a rotatable camera stand, so you can just put it inside this and rotate it. So let me just fix this first. It's great. Like, it's very hard, and I mean it's not like a plastic material that you get it in the local market. This is a well equipped, and it has a good material in it through which it's created, and it's also rotatable, as it was saying, right? So you can rotate it in any direction. So this is really great, and this is my fixable control that you can fix it, that once it's fixed it cannot be rotated, right? तो ये इसका फिक्स है. अब इसको अगर मैं इसके साथ लगाऊंगी, उससे पहले मैं ये दिखा देती हूँ ये कितना बड़ा है. इसको आप खोलोगे, ठीक है. It has a very good color also. I like this particular color. It has red, so this much it will open up, okay. And it also has a flexibility. यहाँ से भी you can enlarge it, right? So you have a stand which is this much of length, right? And this you can also increase it. So this is a locking, I think. So let me just push this. Okay, so this is the stand. Okay, so if I will show you, if you put your stand here like this, and then you put it on the top of this. So let me show you how it will look like. So see, this looks very nice, right? So this is my stand. So my stand is now like taller than me, right? So you can shorten it. So if I shorten it, then it will be perfect for me, right? So just to show you here, तो यहाँ तक अब मस्त है. आपका कैमरा आपके इसमें रहेगा, आप इसको रोटेट कर सकते हो अपने एंगल के हिसाब से, once you rotate it, right, you fix your camera here inside this particular, and this has a roller. So basically this is very sturdy and very good. So if you are planning to again start a YouTube channel or something, then you should get this complete tripod. Basically, see, this looks so cute and it's so handy, and if you want to take it anywhere, और इसमें ब्लॉगिंग भी करना चाहो तो ये कर सकते हो, और इसको अगर आप enlarge करोगे तो ये increase भी हो जाएगा. See, this is, you can increase the size, length, basically length बहुत लंबा है ये, 5 फुट तक है. तो आप खड़े होके भी उसको शूट कर सकते हो. तो अगर आपको कहीं जाके भी शूट करना है, हैंडी है, ये बहुत सही रहेगा आपको शूट करने के लिए बेसिकली. तो मुझे तो ये प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा लगा. इट्स वर्थ इट. इट्स अ लिटिल बिट कॉस्टली दैन द लोकल वंस दैट यू विल गेट. It says it's a particular price. I will quote it in the description box, but if you have a deal, you can get it in a proper deal basically. So it will not cost you much. It costs you 3,000 here, which you can get it in a deal when there's a sale. And this product I really liked it. You can fit your camera, you can fit your phone, your iPhone, Android phone, DSLR, everything inside this. So, and even if you can fit your microphone, right, if you want to just fit your microphone, you can do that also. If you don't want, you have a webcam already in your लैपटॉप एंड ऑल, यू कैन डू दैट ऑल्सो. तो ये बहुत सही है. आपको 2 चीज़ तो बिल्कुल चाहिए अगर आपको यूट्यूब बनाना है, ये तो पक्का है. एक है आपको माइक्रोफोन चाहिए होगा, दूसरा है आपको कैमरा चाहिए होगा, तो और तीसरा है आपको ट्राइपॉड चाहिए होगा. तो ये तीनों चीज़ अगर आपका सेटअप है, सही है, और लाइटिंग अगर आपका सही है, तो यू आर गुड टू गो टू स्टार्ट अ यूट्यूब चैनल पर्टिकुलरली. तो आई होप you have liked this particular video. You have got some insight how steady this is, whether it will be useful for you or not, and how much it cost you, right, whether it will be beneficial, worth it for you to buy it. I would say just go ahead, buy this tripod. I would not suggest any other tripod. I have बहुत सारा ट्राईपॉड मैंने देख लिया मार्केट में, बट ये सबसे बढ़िया था, इसलिए मैंने इसको ख़रीदा है. तो आंख बंद करके अगर इसको खरीदोगे एज माई रिकमेंडेशन, यू विल डेफिनेटली लव इट. बट इफ़ यू आर फ्री टू गो विथ एनी अदर particular tripod if you are doing it. And this is very handy also. You can take it anywhere. जहाँ पे भी घूमने जा रहे हो वहाँ जाके आप इसको standing position में you can also create a video on that, right, on with the help of your camera. So I hope you have liked this video, and I will continue making the vlogs, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you have a good day.